A spot in a partner's body that needs a little bit of releasing, and it happens to be this area here around the lower back where you hit a chair a minute ago. So what I want to do is press my thumbs into the area until I can find or feel what I want to influence. You've got to feel it before you can change it. Once my mind is in there and I'm going, that's the spot I want to work on, I press in a little bit. Then I just pull the balance out through that spot. So I engage it, feel what I want to release, and pull the balance out. And each time you do it, there's a center of balance of trauma, there's a center of balance of cell memory, center of balance of consciousness of the injury. That's what you're extracting. You're pulling that out and going, yeah, you don't need that there. Well, let's do this one in here, that's a bit different. And get rid of that energy connected to the center of balance of the trauma. So the center of balance of his body, it's going to feel like his balance is a balloon, and I'm stretching the balloon to the side, and as physical body moves, but I'm only extracting the consciousness of the trauma, the area of his body that has injury, because that injury has consciousness, has memory. We want to pull that out of the body completely. So if, let's say he's been on the computer a bit too much, yep. We touch into that. And we release that out. You check the quality of your work. Got a lot more work to do. Okay. And then you feel the jelliness. You find another tension point. Get in. And this is no different to the elbow exercise. Thank you.
Thank you.
And so elbow exercise, we find tension, we find root, we find structure, we stretch the balance out, and we pull the balance out of the body. Now we're pinpointing an area in the body where there's injury, where there's trauma, where something's stuck. You pinpoint it, you put your mind there, you feel it, and then you find the balance of the center of the knot or the trauma, and you just say goodbye to it. Give it a farewell ceremony, just relax it out, goodbye, and pull it out of the body, sweep it off, clean the energy, feel the reactivity inside the body, repeat, 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 as many times as needed. Everyone understand the exercise? Yes.
So you are doing it pure magnetically on a vital level, or you are releasing him with the asteroid?
I can do it the same way a massage therapist would do it. Massage, will the knot to disappear with intention and massage. You can do it with engage, relax magnetically and pull the balance out, which was what I was just doing then. You can create a pressure difference, engage, and then create a vacuity behind you, and then just relax and let it fall out through pressure equalization, and it'll slip out of the body. And then you've got to cut it off and get rid of it. You can put your mind in there with intention, just grab it and say, you're out of here, rip, and throw it away. So there's lots of different ways it's going to work.